Welcome to the Rescue EcoTech overview training. The Rescue EcoTech was specifically designed to replace PSC or permanent split capacitor motors with a high efficiency ECM or electronically commutated product. In doing so, the homeowner system gets all the advantages of an ECM motor without the cost of changing the entire system. Let's begin by reviewing the common reasons why you would upgrade a customer from a legacy PSC to a Rescue EcoTech. Indoor air quality has long been a concern for homeowners. Research indicates 61% of all households have a member with allergies to airborne particles. In addition, the need to remove or filter out airborne viruses or pathogens have made products such as UV lighting and air purifiers essential additions to many residential systems. All these products are great, however, indoor air quality products only work when the system is operating. Another top complaint heard from homeowners are locations in every home which are hot in the summer and cold in the winter, also known as air stratification. All of these issues can be helped by running the system in continuous fan or constant fan mode. However, many older systems are operated with PSC or permanent split capacitor motors, and the fan speed is generally the same as the heat speed. So why don't homeowners run constant or continuous fan? You will typically hear two answers to that question. First, it costs too much, and second, running continuous fan can lead to noisy operation. The Rescue EcoTech motor solves both of these issues. Let's take a deeper look at this highly efficient product. First, we will compare the energy used by the Rescue EcoTech ECM to the standard PSC motor installed into the same system and measure the watts used by the motor for cool, heat, and constant fan modes. Keep in mind, electric companies charge by kilowatt hour, so reducing the amount of watts used will reduce the electric bill. The first system we're going to look at is a 90K BTU 80% furnace. The PSC motor is the red line and the green line is the Rescue EcoTech. The PSC motor on cool or AC mode uses about 590 watts, and the EcoTech uses 405. Switching to heat mode, the PSC drops to 495 watts, and the Rescue EcoTech drops to 350 watts. As previously mentioned, the PSC system uses the heat speed for constant fan. The Rescue EcoTech continuous fan low speed at 600 RPMs draws less than 90 watts. This graph shows drastic savings occurs when the system is in continuous fan mode, saving 394 watts. The second example is a 132K BTU 80% furnace, where we see roughly the same results percentage-wise between the PSC and the EcoTech motors. However, again, the big savings occur with continuous fan at 576 watts saved. The Rescue EcoTech was specifically designed as a drop-in replacement for the older PSC or permanent split capacitor technology. The patented motor controls allows for wiring exactly like a PSC motor, meaning there are no changes in wiring required. The motor is up to 82% efficient. It has 5 speeds, including a 600 RPM continuous fan speed for improved indoor air quality. It is a constant torque design with active airflow management. Wiring the EcoTech is basically the same as the original PSC motor you are replacing. The patented motor control senses the high voltage signals from the furnace or air handler board to tell the motor which speed to run. Here's an example of wiring a PSC motor. The wiring of the motor is pretty simple. High speed connected to the cool tap, medium speed to heat, and red or fan speed connected to the fan pin. And of course the 2 capacitor leads to the cap. Here's the EcoTech wiring example. Notice essentially the same high speed for cool or AC tap and medium to heat and fan speed to low. The only major change is there is not a capacitor with the EcoTech. The person doing the installation has to make no additional changes to wiring to use an ECM product in place of a legacy PSC motor. Now for a closer look at the energy savings. This chart shows calculated annual savings for both continuous fan and heat and cool operation when switching from a PSC legacy product to a Rescue EcoTech. It is broken down by horsepower and price per kilowatt hour. You can use these examples to get an idea of the savings you or your customer will see based on the price of electricity in your area. I'm going to zoom in on 12 cents a kilowatt hour, starting with continuous fan operation. At 12 cents a kilowatt hour, a half horsepower motor will save $186 a year, and the 3/4 horsepower will save $206 a year. So if you're a technician doing annual maintenance on a system that has a UV light or any other indoor air quality product, and the customer generally runs continuous fan, why wouldn't you at least have the conversation with that customer about saving up to $200 a year? Or even better yet, the motor comes with a 2-year warranty, meaning during the warranty period, the savings will be $372 for a half horsepower and $412 for a 3/4 horsepower motor. In most cases, that amount of savings will cover the cost to upgrade to the ECM technology or the EcoTech motor. Of course, when we look at the numbers for heat and cool operation only, we see a decrease in the savings since the blower motor isn't running all the time. However, we still save $68 on a half horsepower and $73 on a 3/4 horsepower annually. So the real savings opportunity is for a customer using constant or continuous fan with their system. In addition to the cost and energy savings, the Rescue EcoTech also provides active airflow management. With the constant torque design of this product, the motor will be able to increase torque as static pressure increases, allowing for better performance. Increase in static pressure can be caused by dirty filters, closed vents, or even dampers. Looking at the graph, the red line represents the PSC motor, and the green line represents the Rescue EcoTech. Both starting at 0.1 static are producing the same CFM. However, when we move from left to right, increasing static pressure, the PSC motor drops off more quickly, and at 0.7 static, the Rescue EcoTech produces almost 250 more CFM than the PSC motor. The Rescue EcoTech is available in 4 multi-horsepower model numbers: 5522 ET, 1/3 to 1/5 horsepower; 5532 ET, 1/2 to 1/4; 5542 ET, 3/4 to 1/3; and lastly 5552 ET, 1 horsepower down to 1/2 horsepower. All of these models are dual voltage and reversible, making them an excellent truck stock motor. Just stocking the 5552 and the 5532, you have covered the horsepower range from 1 horse all the way down to 1/4 horse. Thank you for your time and attention. Remember to take the quiz if you are on Motor Pro or one of our partner universities to ensure you get credit. Don't forget to take the Rescue EcoTech technical training course, where we will review the installation process, including how to change voltage, reverse rotation, typical wiring, and horsepower selection. Thank you again and make it a great day.